It is a situational based question, and actually, in this question, I'm checking your capability of negotiation, especially when you are time pressed. If you look at the options, option A says, negotiate discounted cost as you are already in a deadline, and specifically the prospective vendor is your pre-qualified vendor or already done multiple projects with you. They know your mentality. So, talking about cost or discounted cost is not the right option. So option A is not right. Option number B says, negotiate cost and time. As I said, time is your, critical thing. Cost is not. So you are not going to negotiate much on cost. It's more about the time. So option number B is half correct and half does not, goes with the scenario. So it's not the right answer. Option number C says negotiate the project scope. In the overall situation, management is involved, they are getting feedback, but there is no hint in this question that you can reduce the scope and you can set, couple of things, because you have to talk about some specific deliverables, and all the deliverables that are required, you need all of them. So this is again not the right, scenario or right option to negotiate with. Then the fourth option, here it says negotiate the identified risk and how the vendor will mitigate them and deliver the project. So technically, when I am at this situation and when I am facing this kind of thing, I would, talk about what are the options, what are the risks, how we can mitigate them, and I'm ready to pay, even if I need to pay some extra amount to get my deliverables on time. So in this scenario, the right answer is option number D. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.